The Toyota RAV4 2025's memory seat feature is available on higher trims like Limited and Platinum, allowing you to save two custom seat positions for multiple drivers. First, manually adjust your driver's seat using the power controls to your preferred position, including seat height, fore-aft position, backrest recline, and lumbar support. Once adjusted, press the Set button located on the side of the seat cushion to enter programming mode. Then, immediately press either memory button 1 or 2 on the driver's door panel to save the current position. You should hear a confirmation sound or see an indicator light. Repeat this process to save a second driver's preferred position. This feature is great for multiple drivers of the same vehicle. To recall a saved seat position, ensure the vehicle is in park or stopped with the ignition on. Press the corresponding memory button, either 1 or 2, on the driver's door panel. The seat will automatically adjust to the saved settings in approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Note that the recall function only works when the vehicle is in park or neutral, serving as a safety interlock to prevent accidents during movement. The system uses Hall effect sensors for precise positioning and EEPROM memory for data retention, ensuring settings persist across power cycles. If you experience issues like jerky movements during adjustments, try calibrating the seats only while in park. Occasional software glitches may occur, but Toyota releases over-the-air updates to improve reliability. While no widespread recalls have been issued specifically for the 2025 RAV4's memory seat system, it's always good to keep an eye out for software updates from Toyota.